If we woke up tomorrow morning and there was no nature, what would that actually mean?
At a certain point, there'll be too much risk in the system.
Nature is providing a wide range of essential services, and it's doing it for nothing.
In a nature-depleted country, simply put, we wouldn't be able to operate as a business.
Unless we see ourselves as inherently part of nature and connected to it, the environmental crises that affect us will only get worse.
This is one of the biggest opportunities that we're sitting on this century.
We need hands on deck. Whole of government, whole of society, whole of sectors together.
Human beings are amazing. When we put our mind to something, we can fix it. So I'm not worried that we can't sort these issues. I'm worried that we won't do it in time.